Hola chicos! So I wanted to show you a few things that you can do with the Quizlet set. With any of the sets, once you click on the set that you're going to study, you have many different options here. You have the activity Learn, flashcards, Write, Spell, Test, which you'll be taking tomorrow on the vocabulary, Matching Game, Gravity, and then of course Quizlet Live, which is lots of fun. So depending on what helps you the most, you can start with just scrolling down and it will show you the Spanish and the English.
El equipaje.
And then if you click on the icon with the speaker, it will actually play for you. Another really cool feature is being able to star some of the terms. Now what it means is if you put a star by the term, that means that you can actually study them separately. So a good way to do that is actually to go ahead and click on the flashcards. And to start with, you might want to go from English to Spanish, but after that, or from Spanish to English, but after that, you eventually want to be able to look at this travel agent and be able to know that it's agente de viajes. Okay? So you click on it to flip the card back and forth, and we go to the next one. So this is luggage, so if you can think, alright, how do you say luggage?
El equipaje.
Equipaje, and then you can hear it.
Equipaje.
Now another option is if she's talking too fast, you can actually go to options down here, and the audio is on, but you want to go to advanced audio options, and she's speaking normally now, so you can go ahead and click on slow,
El equipaje.
and then it slows it down a bit for you.
Exceso de equipaje. La maleta. La identificación. El pasaporte.
Now as you're going through here, counter, so let's say you get to counter and you've studied it many times and you just can't seem to remember it. Go ahead and click the star. Okay, ticket, you know that one.
Boleto.
That's boleto. To board.
Abordar.
Let's say you keep forgetting custom, so we're going to star that one. And I'm just going to go through and star
El aeropuerto.
a few of these to show you. So we're only starring the ones that we need to study.
La aerolínea.
Okay, so let's say we start all the ones that we need to study. So what you can do is you can just click on the back button and it'll take you back to the set. And then if you notice here, terms in this set, there's 24. So you can choose to study all of them, or you can just study the ones that you start. So if you click on starred, then that means your set will only include the ones that you need to study, which is I think a pretty nice feature. So the activity with Learn, it's pretty great because it gives you such a variety of questions. So el mostrador, counter, la aduana. Now aduana is customs, but I'm going to choose this just to see what it does. So it tells you right away you need to study this one. La aduana, the correct answer is customs. Okay, aerolínea, auxiliar de vuelo, la aduana. So see, it came up again, and I'm going to choose the correct answer. Okay, so strong effort so that you're prepared to do well on your quiz tomorrow. I will show you how you will do it. So you go to the set, and this is the same set you'll be tested on tomorrow, and you click on test. It will create a test for you kind of with a variety of different questions. What you're going to do is you need to make sure that you click on options on the bottom left. when you first open it, these will all be clicked, but what you need to do is make sure that only the written is checked, and then you want to answer with Spanish, prompt with English, and then you need to type.
Navarro to the front office, please.
And then you need to go ahead and make sure that you choose 24 out of 24 questions, and then you click Create New Test, and then your test is right here. So you're going to be typing in your answers here, and then when you're done, you will submit it, and hopefully you will get 100%. Buena suerte!